Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction and Solana news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Solana in 2022. Solana is a highly functional open source project that relies on the free nature of blockchain technology to create decentralized finance (DeFi) solutions. The idea and initial work on the project began in 2017. Solana was officially launched in March 2020 by the Solana Foundation, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Thanks to its innovative hybrid consensus model, Solana is of interest to both small traders and institutional investors. The focus of the Solana Foundation is to make decentralized finance available on a larger scale. Anatoly Yakovenko is the face of the Solana project. His professional career began at Qualcomm, where he quickly rose through the ranks to become senior engineering manager in 2015. Later, his professional path changed, and Yakovenko moved to the position of a programmer at Dropbox. In 2017, Yakovenko began work on a project that would later come to life as Solana. He teamed up with his Qualcomm colleague Greg Fitzgerald, and they founded a project called Solana Labs. With the involvement of several more former Qualcomm colleagues in the process, the Solana protocol and the Sol token went public in 2020. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Solana. Solana price prediction, trending RSI signals bullish breakout, is $105 next. On Wednesday, the crypto market experienced a sudden pump and rebounded several altcoins from their crucial support. The Solana, Sol, price faced a similar outcome as it bounced back from its monthly support, registering an 8% intraday gain. The Solana, Sol, price action resonates within a descending triangle pattern. On March 2nd, the altcoin turned down from the falling trendline, $105, and plunged to the $80 neckline. The buyers have aggressively defended this support for more than a month now, preventing the sellers from extending any further losses. Today, the altcoin jumps from this $80 support with an evening star pattern, allowing the traders to set up another recovery. Furthermore, the coin price nearing the apex of the bearish pattern can soon provide a decisive breakout. In contrast to Sol price action, the daily RSI chart shows an upside rally. This positive divergence in the RSI slope indicates the increasing underlying bullishness in the market, providing a better possibility for a bullish breakout from descending triangle pattern. However, the downsloping crucially MAS, 20, 50, 100, and 200 maintain an overall bearish trend. Ascending trendline restrains the buyer's recovery attempt and Sol buyers manage to breach the overhead resistance trendline. The buying pressure would intensify and rally the coin to $105 resistance, followed by $122. Alternatively, as sellers dumped the coin price below the $80 support, the renewed selling would trigger a free fall to the $66 mark. Anyhow, the range between the descending trendline and the $80 support should be considered as no trading zone, and the coin traders should wait for a guinea breakout before entering a new position. Resistance level $105, $122 in the MAS, 20, 50, 100, and 200, support levels $80, $66 and second news today is crypto market rebounds as Russia opens humanitarian corridors. The potential for players to participate, both in shaping communities, but also in the value that they create through play. We just saw that there was a huge opportunity there, Topkins told Decrypt. We wanted to be early there, and be some of the first game makers making great games using blockchain tech. BlockTackle is developing SkateX, an NFT-driven skateboarding game that is being built on the Solana blockchain. SkateX will offer up one-of-a-kind skateboards as NFT collectibles, which are owned by players and can be bought and sold as they please. But it'll also bring NFT owners into the community to help potentially influence the game along the way. Players can have a seat at the table and own an NFT that gets them participating in community conversations as we build the game, said Topkins, and then they get to skate on that board and complete tricks, quests, and challenges, and level it up. Citing the Tony Hawk's Pro Skater series as his favorite childhood games, Topkins said that SkateX will similarly have an accessible feel to its gameplay, letting players connect online to skate, grind, and pull off tricks together. 76% of inflows, or about $147 million, came from the region last week. The figures from the report are in sharp contrast to the data the week prior, which saw $49.4 million withdrawn from BTC and ETH from mostly North American firms, with concerns regarding increasing crypto regulations. Related, Yasko says DeFi is quickly evolving, and cloning financial markets. The inflows of cash by institutional firms correlate with the price of Bitcoin seeing a recent surge above $48,500 at one point. The same was true with Ether, which broke out over $3,300. January, the Financial Times reported that Meta and Instagram would soon enable support for NFTs. It appears the rumors are true, as the CEO of Instagram's parent company Meta confirmed on Tuesday that digital collectibles will be coming to the photo and video sharing app. Mark Zuckerberg made the disclosure at the SXSW conference, even though he didn't reveal any specific details on when the feature would be enabled on Instagram. We're working on bringing NFTs to Instagram in the near term, Zuckerberg reportedly said during his appearance at the conference. He hopes that users will be able to mint the clothes of their digital avatars as NFTs. Mila Kunis's studio launches new NFT animated series, The Gimmicks Red. The Gimmicks is a community-driven animated NFT series on the Solana blockchain. 10K NFT holders get to decide the story arc of the show through on-chain voting in a choose-your-own-adventure style poll at the end. If you are looking for Solana price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, then you have come to the right place. We will share some of the most anticipated questions that seriously require attention and accurate answers. SOL rate prediction 2022. SOL will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Solana rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Solana rate will be almost $122.19. The maximum bet we can get is $142.07. Solana average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $125.72. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. SOL price prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for SOL will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $182.67 and a minimum bid of $177.65. The maximum bid is expected to be around $211.87. SOL price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Solana price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of SOL will rise to around $262.85 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year could end with a maximum price of $312.30 with a minimum price $255.55 level. Solana price prediction 2025. In 2025, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Solana will skyrocket, with a maximum trading price of $446.11 in 2025. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $381.94 with a maximum price of $446.11 for 2025. SOL rate prediction 2026. The value of Solana will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. SOL is expected to top out at $641.51 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it's very optimistic that Solana's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of SOL will be between $508.24 and $523.51 expected in 2026, depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of SOL ranges from $508.24 to $641.51 for 2026. Solana price prediction 2027.